Hello, I'm going to provide a screencast walkthrough of the site Mashup Math. Overall, I believe this website to be user-friendly if you know directly what you're looking for. It's bright, colored, nothing fancy with the fonts or type of font or sizing. Very basic. The navigation is mainly on the primary up at the top. If you are on the home screen, you can click for a free trial, and then it has links, hyperlinks to grade level activities. Or you can search through the worksheets, and again, that's organized and colored by grade level, puzzles, grade level as well. And again, brightly colored, and it makes it very engaging. Only thing I would change would be the ads that pop up. It's always some type of video in the lower right. Other websites, other ads pop up at the bottom, and the color scheme is similar to the website, and you might accidentally click on it thinking it was a part of the website. Layout, again, is simple, spaced out, easy to read, straightforward. And that's it.